Hello everyone. Did you know that in the world of accounting, there are two ways to record financial transactions? There are manual recording and using accounting applications such as MyUp. Let's discuss the difference. First, manual recording. In this method, all transactions are written directly into journal and ledger. The process is done step by step from recording, calculating, up to preparing financial statement. The problem is, this method takes a long time and is prone to error. Manual archive can also be damaged, lost, or difficult to find again when we need. With the help of computer and accounting software like MyUp, all processes become much faster and more accurate. We only need to input the transaction data and the system immediately processes it into automatic financial report. MyUp also has security data and backup feature, and the financial information is safer and easier to access whenever we need it. So, are you ready to switch from manual to digital? Now that we understand the importance of using accounting applications like MyUp, let's learn how to record financial transactions digitally in the application. One of the menus frequently used in the company daily activities is the banking menu. In this menu, there are two main features: spend money to record cash outflows and receive money to record cash inflow. Let's look at how to use each one. Spend money. Now, let's move to one of the important feature in the banking menu in MyUp, which is spend money. This feature is used whenever the company makes a cash payment through the bank, whenever for routine operating expense or other payment. Because of this, spend money is the one of the most frequently used menus in daily accounting activities. On the left side of the screen, we can see the spend money form. This section is used to fill the basic transaction information such as account, the cash or bank account used for payment, check queue number, a reference number of proof of payment, date, the date the payment was made, and memo, a short description of the transaction. This form helps ensure each payment is recorded clearly and in an organized manner, making it easy to trace when we need it. In the table at the bottom, we input the detailed expense account to be charged. For example, if the company pays electricity and telephone bills, the select account is utilities expense. If the company purchased store supplies in cash, the account used is office supplies or store supplies. By selecting the correct expense account, MyUp automatically performs double entry accounting, reducing the bank balance while increasing the related expense account. After all data is filled out, simply click Record. MyUp will instantly update the bank balance and store transaction in the system. This advantage makes MyUp far more efficient than manual recording because all data is neatly stored and can be monitored anytime through the financial report. Common transaction record through spend money include payment for electricity and telephone to support business operation, cash purchase of store supplies such as stationery or other operational needs, employee and salary payment, either monthly or weekly. So, the spend money menu is not just a form for expense, but an essential tool for maintain order and accuracy in a company financial record. Receive money. Next, we will discuss the receive money menu in MyUp Accounting. This menu main function is record all cash inflow received by the company through the bank. This feature is very important because every cash receipt must be recorded accurately to ensure the cash balance and financial report reflect their true financial condition. On the left side of the screen, we can see the receive money form. The form consists of several parts that must be filled in each time the company receives money. First, we select the bank account where the money is deposited. More companies have several cash or bank accounts, so selecting the correct account is important for accurate recording. Next, there is amount received column. Fill the amount of money received. Below there is payment method, where we can choose the method of payment, cash, transfer, or check. The data column must be filled in to ensure the transaction is recorded in the correct accounting period. In the memo column, we can write a short description to make a transaction easy to trace later. At the bottom of the form, there is a table to enter the revenue account or type of transaction received. By selecting the appropriate account, MyUp will automatically perform double entry accounting, increasing the company cash balance while recording revenue or asset increase based on the transaction. Common transaction records to receive money include interest income, such as bank or deposit interest, receive from sales payment, payment from customer for good or service provided, bank loan where the company receives funds from financial institutions. Each transaction record to receive money immediately update the bank balance and is recorded in the cash receipt journal. This makes the recording process faster, more accurate, and reduce the risk of error common in manual recording. After all data is complete, click Record. MyUp will automatically save the transaction and update the company financial statement. By understanding how receive money works, we can ensure all company cash receipts are recorded properly, structured, and easy to analyze. Next, we will practice how to record a salary and wage payable payment transaction in the MyUp application using the Spend Money menu. In this example, the company makes a payment for last month's salary and wage payable amounting to 3 million rupiah through the bank. First, we go to the banking menu, then select Spend Money. In the account section, we choose the cash account or the bank account used to make the payment. Then, in the check-in file, we enter the payment reference number, which is example is KK2. Next, we fill in the transaction date, which is 7 January 2023. In the amount column, enter the payment amount of 3 million rupiah. In the memo section, we write the transaction description, namely, payment of salary and wage payable, so that the record is clear when reviewed later. After that, we go to the account table section below. In the A column, select the salary and wage payable account because we are making a payment to settle this liability. MyUp will automatically reduce the payable balance while simultaneously recording the cash outflow from the bank. Make sure that the total allocated at the bottom match the payment amount, which is 3 million rupiah, and that the out of balance shows 0, indicating that the entry is correct and ready to be saved. If all the information is complete, click the Record button, and the salary and wage payable payment transaction will be successfully recorded. That's all for our learning session with Miss Kira. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.